The 7E8 engine code is one of the most misunderstood readings on automotive diagnostic scanners. Let's clear up the confusion once and for all. First, here's what you need to know. 7E8 is not an error code. It's actually an engine control module identifier that appears on OBD2 diagnostic scanners. When you see 7E8 on your diagnostic scanner, it simply means the scanner is successfully communicating with your engine's computer. Think of it as a system online message. The 7E8 code is part of the ISO 57654 CAN protocol used in modern vehicles from 2008 onwards. It's a standardized way for diagnostic tools to identify and communicate with different vehicle systems. Here's the crucial point. Seeing 7E8 alone is completely normal. It doesn't indicate any fault or problem with your vehicle. Don't panic when you see this code. The real diagnostic trouble codes you should focus on are those with P, B, C, or U prefixes. These indicate actual problems that need attention. Let me show you the difference. Remember, 7E8 means your diagnostic system is working properly. Focus on any accompanying codes that start with P, B, C, or U. Those point to actual issues that may need repair. When you see the 7E8 code alongside actual symptoms like a check engine light, reduced fuel efficiency, or rough idling, the key is understanding what to focus on. The most important rule is, don't focus on the 7E8 code itself. This code is just telling you that your scanner is communicating properly with the engine control module. Instead, use your OBD scanner to identify the actual diagnostic trouble codes that are present. These are the codes that will guide you to the real problem. For example, if you see a P0300 code, this indicates a random misfire detected. This P0300 code is what you need to address, not the 7E8 communication code. Modern diagnostic scanners have improved capabilities that help differentiate between communication codes like 7E8 and actual fault codes, making diagnosis much clearer. If you're unsure about interpreting the diagnostic codes, or if the problem persists, consult a qualified technician who is familiar with modern diagnostic protocols and can properly address the actual fault codes.